Welcome to aminacademy.com. In fluid mechanics, let us discuss about buoyancy and flotation. First, buoyancy. When a body is fully or partially immersed in a fluid, an upward force is exerted by the fluid on the body. This upward force is equal to the weight of the fluid displaced by the body and is called the force of buoyancy or simply buoyancy. Look at this picture here. A loaded ship is floating in water. Now, due to the weight of the ship and goods loaded, the gravitational force is acted downwards through its center of gravity. Then equal and opposite force, upward force, that is called a buoyancy force, is acted upward through the center of the parallel to the center of the gravity. That means here the gravitational force and buoyancy force is balanced for the stability of the ship and it float. Center of buoyancy. It is defined as the point through which the force of buoyancy is supposed to act. As the buoyancy is a vertical force and is equal to the weight of a fluid displaced by the body, the center of buoyancy will be the center of gravity of the fluid displaced. Here, look at this, buoyancy force is upward and parallel, and it is supposed to be act through the center of gravity of the whole ship. So that is called center of buoyancy. Now the center of buoyancy is supposed to be act through the center of gravity of the ship. That means here how much water is displaced because of the volume of the ship which is immersed inside. That center of gravity of that volume of the water is also called the center of buoyancy. Now, to understand clear, we will do some example problem regarding buoyancy force. Find the volume of the water displaced and position of center of buoyancy for a wooden block of length 6 meter, width 3.5 meter and depth 2 meter. When it floats horizontally in water, the density of wooden block is 640 kg per meter cube. Now let us do the problem now. Here the given things: width of wooden block is 2.3 meter, 3 meter, and depth is 2 meter and length equal 6 meter. Volume of the block is 3 into 2 into 6. Width is 3.5. Volume is 3.5 into 2 into 6, which is equal 42 meter cube. Now weight of the block. Weight of block is volume into density. Density of wooden block is 640 given into kg per meter cube, and 9.81 rho g into volume is 42 is given. The calculation is 264692.8 Newton. Next, here for the equilibrium of floating, for the equilibrium of wooden block, that is weight of water displaced, weight of water displaced equal weight of wooden block, weight of wooden block. Now therefore volume of water displaced equal weight of water displaced over weight density of water, equal weight of water displaced is, we found, 264692.8 over weight density of water is 1000 into 9.81. By calculation we'll get 26.88 meter cube. 26.88 meter cube of water is displaced. Now position of center of buoyancy. Position of center of buoyancy center of position of buoyancy we'll find now. Volume of wooden block in water, volume of wooden block in water equal volume of water displaced. Volume of water displaced. Here volume of wooden wooden block in water is 3 into 6 into H equal volume of water displaced 26.88, then H equal 26.88 over 18, which is equal 1.0 1.493 meter. Therefore, center of buoyancy equal h by 2, which is equal 1.493 over 2 equal 0.747 meter approximate. We have done. Please subscribe our YouTube channel.